put proper money in education. And then you're also underpaying the teachers and overtaxing them. This itself has got consequences in terms of lowering the standards of education in our country. So we need to put more money in education. And then also ensure that there's transparency and there's no rigging, even in the education. That when the azimio government comes to power, we will ensure that all our children, from nursery to primary, to secondary, to university, will go to education, to school, without paying any fees. Fighting for a better future. We are fighting so that our men and women, our young men and women, should find a prosperous nation that they can be proud of. We want a nation where our women and children will feel safe and secure. We want a nation and a county called Siaya where we can produce jobs for the young people. This is not what you promised the Republic of Kenya. You cannot lie to the people.
William Ruto and his rogue regime are the cause of our problems. And therefore, as we condemn William Ruto, we must condemn his acolytes. We must condemn his sycophants. We must condemn his agents who are amidst us.